बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर यासत और आपसे एकेडमिक गाइडेंस के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुखातिब हूं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन फिलोसॉफिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ करिकुलम है। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि कौन कौन सी एजुकेशनल फिलासफीज हैं जिनको कोई भी करिकुलम डेवलपर और एजुकेटर और पॉलिसी मेकर करिकुलम बनाते हुए माइंड में रखता है। तो ये सब कुछ जानने के लिए यू आर एडवाइज टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड फर्दर। अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तो डियर व्यूअर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, फिलॉसफी प्रोवाइड्स एजुकेटर, टीचर्स एंड करिकुलम मेकर्स विद फ्रेमवर्क फॉर प्लानिंग, implementing and evaluating curriculum in the schools or institution. Philosophy and ideology of education provide rules and principles which lead the decision making regarding education practice and policy planning. Further, it guides the curriculum planner on the basis of the philosophical and ideological belief of the society in constructing of subject matter, keeping in view the future demands and needs of the school, and help in the promotion of human life through social change and the behavior of the students and prepare them for future challenges. For example, in Pakistan, being the follower of Muslim ideology, the curriculum is always based on the Islamic values which are drawn in the light of Quran and Sunnah. So, the education system must include true knowledge of Islam and preserve the culture of Muslim society in new generation. That why they believe the Islamic curricula should be based on the ideology of Islamic laws and principles. So therefore no such type of contents are included in the curriculum which are against or have contradiction with the Islamic principles which are based on the knowledge of Quran and Sunnah. Dear students, there are four basic educational philosophies like Perennialism, Essentialism, Progressivism and Reconstructionism. First two are called traditional philosophies while the other two are called modern philosophies. As far as concerned with Perennialism, it focuses on the education essential for each and every person of the society. So, education must therefore pursue perennial truth. These truths are absolute and universal. The philosophy presupposes that there are permanent studies and knowledge that is available particularly from the great books which should be taught to all students. Stresses on significance of reasoning and intellectual development. Curriculum is expected to contain important subjects taught in their individual position like history as a history, geography as a geography, or civics as a civics instead of integrated curriculum like social studies. Other subjects emphasized include literature, philosophy, and religious literature or theology because of their ability to sharpen the mind of the individual. Next is Essentialism. It focuses on traditional subjects like reading, writing, and mathematics. This philosophy aims to instill students with the essentials of academic knowledge and character development. Cultural heritage needs should be considered for curriculum making. Essential skills, especially reading, writing, and arithmetics and academic subjects such as English, science, and mathematics, are given priority in the educational process with an emphasis on mastery of concepts and principles of the subject matter. Third one is progressivism. which is one of the educational philosophies originating from pragmatism. John Davies, Maria Montessori, and Rousseau are the great champion of this philosophy. Progressivist education seeks to promote democratic schooling as well as social living. The other major emphasizes on a child or learner-centered curriculum. The curriculum, therefore, is based on the themes, interest, needs and abilities and aspirations of the learners or children. Selection of study material is always according to the interest and level of the learning. Non-formal curriculum activities and physical training in areas like games, related hobbies and other co-curricular areas are prioritized. The aim of this form of education is to provide a learning atmosphere that allows children maximum self-direction and to reduce teacher domination in teaching learning process. So learner learn always according to their own need and interest. Reconstructionism educational aims are to improve and reconstruct society as need may be, as well as education for change and social reform. Thus, the study of contemporary social problems become the centerpiece of the curriculum content. The critical social problem might be national or global, including issues as oppression, poverty, hunger, racial or ethnic, war and health issues such as COVID, HIV, or other diseases like this. Reconstructionism use multiple teaching material and they consider the inclusion of subject matter that would be useful to serve the central cause of the issue of concern within the society. Planning of curriculum often involves various stakeholders including learner, parents and community leaders. Dear viewer and students, ये थी बेसिक एजुकेशनल फिलॉसफीज की ब्रीफ और उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस कि किस तरह वो करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट और प्लानिंग में इनकी अहमियत है। उम्मीद है वीडियो आपको इंफॉर्मेटिव लगेगी। कमेंट्स बॉक्स में कमेंट्स करके अपनी राय से ज़रूर आगाह कीजिएगा। अल्लाह ताला हम सब के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। अल्लाह हाफिज़।